What's up, Forehead? So last video, I gave you my honest review of the Icon Airform Manic R. This video, we have a new helmet. This is the Voss 988. This helmet is significantly better than the other one. It has a bunch of cool features. It has the normal visor with a center visor lip, which I'm not really the biggest fan of. It also has flip down visor area right here for a chin mount, open and closable chin vent, open and closable head vents. And it also has an open and closable vent right here in the back. It's a lighter helmet as well. It's also DOT and ECE certified. And we also have a chin curtain, which is perfect for wind noise. So this is the helmet that we're going to be putting the GoPro onto. What's up, Forehead? 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 What's up, Forehead?
Why do you think you're so fucking cool?
And I found a different mounting method than what I used on the last two helmets that I've had. It's a to you? I don't know. It's a mount that wraps around the front of the helmet like that, and it won't cover the Voss, and it fits really nicely, or it should. So this is how it comes out of the box. You get foldy pieces, your sticky pieces. On the box, you can see that the red is on the inside. So that's how we're gonna be putting this thing on there. These stickers are just good enough to fit both, but they fold in the middle, and I don't know how I feel about that. May cut this, maybe I shouldn't. We're gonna clean these up, clean this up, and then stick everything on there. So I got the best thing to remove shit, nail polish remover. Wipe down the mount. Look at that, look at all that dirt. That'll give our sticky stuff something really good to stick to. Good thing we cleaned that off. So we're gonna take the yellow side off. I'm gonna try and go from like a little bit just off to the side here. Yeah, press the fuck out of that. I'm gonna lift this one up into it. The rough shape, that ought to do her. At the end of the day, what matters the most is that we don't have any creases or anything like that in this. Just like so. Boom. We'll leave that like that. Fuck you. Well, I mean, bless you. And we're gonna do the same thing for the other side. Really simple. I'm really gonna wanna push this on. Thank God that they used 3M though. Really glad for that. Peel this 3M off. I'm gonna stick this all the way down at the bottom here, like right above this. And it's gonna be this way. It's right front and center. Now we have a GoPro mount. Really simple, man. I love that. I forgot to clean the fucking helmet. Oh, Jesus. Whoops. Oh, well. You know, shit happens, I guess. If it falls off, we'll know why. So, because the GoPro HERO 7, which is the one that I use, you need to have one of these to use a microphone for some reason. We're gonna try and run it something like this. Maybe stick that right here. This way I can loop it around and plug it in. Maybe. Thankfully, I also ordered another full kit off of Amazon. Came with a bunch of stickies like this. I don't know what brand these are, but you know, they work. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use one of these flat ones, and I'm gonna use it on this. Clean it up first. like this. I need a knife. All right, we did that. Now let's clean off this part. Set this right there into place. Squeeze the fuck out of it. And now we're ready to put the microphone in the helmet. But we're gonna do that at a later date. To put the microphone in after the mic adapter, you're gonna have to take some of this padding out. If you remember from the last Motovlog helmet video that I made. Wow. 1 piece of Velcro and 2 snaps. Sweet. You can see where there's a recess for a speaker in here. Wow, that's fucking sweet, dude. It's even got like a little pocket to tuck wires in there. Those are gonna come in handy in the future. That's fucking sweet. Alright, so we're gonna take our microphone, set it inside, the wires inside, probably right around the speaker hole. Okay, so because I don't say it in the video, I feel like I should address this here. The microphone that I use is a Purple Panda microphone. The Purple Panda mic right here has a TRRS 3mm jack. That's bad because the square box that I already stuck to the side of the helmet has a TRRS input. If you use the TRRS and put it into the TRS input, it doesn't work. How lovely. So if you want actual audio, you need to get you an adapter like this. I use one that looks like this, and I also have a spare. I have 3 of them right here. Not that they're prone to going bad, but if you need one, you can't get them locally, so you should have a spare, at least one. I will throw links for these down in the description, but because you have a TRRS output from the microphone and you need a TRS input to the microphone adapter for the GoPro. Mind you, this is all for the GoPro HERO 7. I think it's like 5, 6, 7, and 8 all use that adapter. So if you want audio to come from your helmet into your GoPro footage, you need one of these, as well as the square box. I also have a spare one of those floating around somewhere. This is the part that I'm tucking. I also have cut this because obviously I don't need that. So I would cut the side that goes to the headphones and then only leave the microphone one, and then the microphone goes into the right one. This way you're not plugging in the headphone to the adapter and then you still get nothing. Done that before too. Microphone adapter, you need it. GoPro microphone adapter, you need it. Unless you get a microphone that has just a TRS connection, then you don't need to worry about this bullshit. Or you can get a GoPro HERO, I think 10, 11, and 12s. They don't have the adapters, so you can do that too. Anyway, let's go get tucked like RuPaul. Also, but we're gonna tuck this in on the back side of the, and then tuck this in right about in the same spot that the other one was. So we'll tuck that right there. Bring this, because there's this little cutout, I'm gonna try and get the wire to go in here. This way it doesn't end up with this weird little cut again. Shove that through the hole. Don't need hair around that one. Guys, I'm so good at this, I should probably teach you how to do it on YouTube. Because look at that. Now the mic is hanging down. We'll tuck this back underneath, right in the cheek area, and bring the microphone and kind of tuck that into the cheek pad a little bit. Snap our snaps. Then I'll tuck the microphone wire and push this just a little bit into the cheek pad. This way it kind of stays in the same spot. It's tucked in there, you can't even see it. partially because of the bad lighting, also partially because of the chin curtain, but also because I'm just so good at this, dude. It's like I should do this for YouTube or something. There we go. We have the GoPro setup all ready to go. Now, unfortunately, right now, I can't throw the GoPro onto the helmet and record anything. However, in the future, I'm gonna do it. So flash forward to the first time I strap you to the helmet, okay? All right, watch this, watch this, watch this. Watch this, watch this.
Do something, damn it. Fuck yeah.
Wasn't that cool? All right, so that's how you get yourself a fucking setup, a GoPro setup, onto a fancy new helmet. Now you can make your own motovlogs. If you like this video and you found it useful, go ahead down below and like the video. You should also subscribe while you're down there and maybe share it to somebody who you know wants to start motovlogging. It's really simple. I think this mount was only like $20 on Amazon, if that. The mic adapter and the GoPro is probably the most expensive things on this list of things that you need to do this. The Purple Panda microphone that comes with a bunch of extra little goodies is like 30 or 40 bucks on Amazon as well. This is just a normal Purple Panda mic. All the links for the stuff that I used in this video are down in the description. I hope if you looked for this video and found this video, it was useful. So I hope to see you out there. Oh, look at that, we got red lights now. Until next video, I'm Chris on the 6. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.
Wheel in the air, and when I'm home, thoughts on my ears. Hit my line, she wanna vibe, she wanna ride the Kawasaki. Ate her up like edamame, slurp me up like I was ramen. Boy, I need to stop wildin'. That's the video. Until next time, Chris on the 6. I'll see you in the next one.